You asked, how to divide 1525 by 5 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 15. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. 3 times 5 equals 15. 15 minus 15 equals 0. Bring down 2, making 2. 2 divided by 5 equals 0. 0 times 5 equals 0. 2 minus 0 equals 2. Bring down 5, making 25. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. 25 minus 25 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 305.